Inflammation. It's your body's built-in defense system. When you get injured or fight off an infection, inflammation is what helps you heal. But when that same process refuses to shut off, it turns into something much more dangerous: chronic inflammation. This silent condition has been linked to heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, skin problems, and even premature aging. But here's the good news. What you drink every single day can actually help calm that inflammation, naturally. In this video, we'll explore 5 powerful drinks that research shows can help reduce inflammation, support your immune system, and bring your body back into balance. Let's begin with the first one.
Number 1. Green tea is one of the most researched anti-inflammatory drinks in the world. It's rich in a compound called EGCG, short for epigallocatechin gallate, which helps reduce oxidative stress and lower inflammatory markers in the body. Studies show that drinking green tea regularly can lower CRP and TNF-alpha, 2 key markers of inflammation. You don't need to overdo it. 2 to 3 cups of unsweetened green tea a day is enough. If caffeine bothers you, try decaf versions or switch to white tea, which carries similar benefits. For extra flavor and health benefits, add a few slices of ginger or lemon. Just remember, no sugar. That's the one thing that can undo all the anti-inflammatory power of this drink. Number 2. Next up, a familiar favorite. Pure 100% orange juice. Not the sugary boxed kind, but real orange juice with nothing added. Citrus fruits like oranges are packed with vitamin C and flavonoids, both known to help lower inflammatory markers such as IL-6 and CRP. A 2022 review even found that people who drank pure orange juice regularly had lower inflammation levels compared to those who didn't. The key word here is pure. Check your labels. If it says from concentrate or includes added sugar, it's not what you want. You can also mix orange juice with water to reduce sugar concentration while keeping the benefits. Enjoy it in the morning when your metabolism is active and your body can best use the antioxidants it provides. Number 3. Beetroot juice. This deep red drink doesn't just look powerful, it is. Beetroot contains betalains, pigments that give it its color, and natural nitrates that help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. These compounds support blood flow and may even help lower blood pressure, which often goes hand in hand with inflammation. If you're making it at home, juice raw beets with a little water and lemon juice for taste. If you don't have a juicer, you can blend the beet and strain it. Drink it 2 to 3 times a week rather than daily. Beets are powerful but high in natural sugars and oxalates, so moderation is key. The 4th drink on our list has roots in ancient Ayurvedic medicine: turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. Turmeric's main active compound, curcumin, is one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatory substances known. It helps block NF-kappa B, the molecule that triggers chronic inflammation in the body. But curcumin isn't easily absorbed on its own. That's where black pepper and healthy fat come in. Black pepper contains piperine, which increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Here's how to make it. Warm a cup of milk or plant-based milk. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a dash of cinnamon or ginger. Sweeten lightly with honey if you like. This drink is perfect before bed, soothing, anti-inflammatory, and caffeine-free.
Our 5th drink might sound too simple to matter: plain water. But hydration plays a critical role in inflammation control. When you're dehydrated, toxins build up, circulation slows, and your body struggles to regulate its immune response. That's a recipe for inflammation. Drinking enough water, about 2 to 3 liters a day depending on your body size and activity, helps flush out waste and supports every anti-inflammatory process in your body. You can make water more interesting by infusing it with lemon, cucumber, mint, or berries. These add subtle antioxidants and make you more likely to sip throughout the day. And replacing sugary sodas or processed drinks with infused water alone can drastically reduce inflammation levels over time. Let's recap. Green tea for antioxidants, orange juice for vitamin C and flavonoids, beetroot juice for betalains and nitrates, turmeric milk for curcumin, and water, the foundation for it all. Here's a simple daily routine to get you started. Morning. Start with a glass of water. Mid-morning, have your green tea. Breakfast or midday, a small glass of orange juice. Afternoon, sip on infused water. Evening, relax with a cup of golden milk. And 2 to 3 times a week, rotate in beetroot juice. Remember, small, consistent choices build big results over time. Reducing inflammation isn't about perfection. It's about making mindful choices every day, especially the ones that seem simple. These 5 drinks aren't just recipes. They're daily acts of self-care. Each sip sends your body a message. It's time to heal. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and tell us in the comments, which of these drinks will you try first? Stay hydrated, stay calm, and keep your body in balance.
Follow for more health videos and let me know on which health-related topic should I make video.